Welcome to the world of programming. If you're a beginner who want to learn the basics of programming or an expert who want to sharpen his skills, you have come to the right place. This YouTube channel is dedicated to providing you with the latest trend, tips, techniques, best practices to help you become a coding master. Hi, I am Ayush. And today we are going to deploy our Facebook login page clone to GitHub. So let's get started. So as you can see, I am in my this file means in my VS Code, and I have opened my project here. So let me just save this project and close it. Okay, so now let me just run my project and show you that how is it working. So if I run my project here, and okay, let me close that. So copy this thing here and go back. Okay, let's go here on Google. Let's paste this here. Now you can see that we are getting this Facebook clone here. We are getting this input box here, and we are getting one to okay, let me give some random data here. Click on login. Yeah, you can see the that's all working. So yeah, that's a clone that we made, yeah, in our previous video, yeah, by using HTML and CSS. And now we are going to deploy this app. So for deploying this, go back here, right here for github.com. After that, when you are at this place, you need to just go here, click on new, go here and write Facebook. And now let's give a description like this is Facebook clone made. This is Facebook clone by code with Ayush. Let us give some space here. Let's take it public so that you can visit my repository. Now click on creating a repository, and after creating a repository, now you need to just go to at this place, click on SSH and copy this. Okay, let's copy this. Next thing, you need to go to Google and search for git install. Now click on the first link. Now download it for Windows. Now if I click on download for Windows and click on this link, click here to download, it will download git. Okay, so yeah, that's all about how to install git. But yeah, because I have already installed it, I will not install it again. So yeah, let me just close this thing here. Now to open git, we need to go here, right click in our means the project directory, right click on show more options and git bash here. After that's done, you need to just go here and run some basic functions to deploy your app. First is you need to get initialize your name as well as email on in your GitHub server. So for that, git config that's a global user dot name, and in double quotes you need to give that. So let us give like code with Ayush. Let's press enter. Now one more time the email, git config global user dot email, and let's give like the email here. So let's give the email. I'm just doing that. You can give yours name as well as email. So yeah, let's press enter one more time. Now that's all done. Our name is there, our email is there. Now the next thing we need to do, if you want that what command we need to run, then you can go to your repository. Here you can see the basic commands are there. First is like, if I go here, and first command is like to initialize git. So git init to reinitialize or initialize your repository. Then we need to add the data of our app to this repository. For that, git add. Okay, as you can see, so here, okay, so here we need to use the git add redeem.md, because this was because we because you know what, GitHub always suggests to add a redeem.md, but we do not need that. We need to just push our directly to our repository. For that, git add dot, and now we need to press enter. After that's done, we need to just go here and let's commit. Let's make a git commit. So for making git commit, we need like that, we need to write like this, and Okay, so let's write like initial. Let's make a commit. Okay, so let's press enter one more time. Now you can see our commit is there. Now the next thing is you need to write like this. You need to set the branch of your project. So for sending the branch, you can use like this. Let's set it to main, and after that we need to push. Means you need to give the origin of your project. For that, get remote, add origin, and then you need to pass the SSH. So for that, click on SSH, copy this, go here, right click, paste. Now in this means in Git bash, you can't use Control C or Control V to copy or paste respectively, but you can right click here, can click on paste or shift plus insert. Okay, let's press enter. That's all done. Now there is an error. In my case, just ignore that one. In your case, there might be no errors. So if you get this error, means you know what, you just already did that. So let's close this one. Now after that's done, you need to just right here get, and you need to write like push u, and then you need to like origin main. Okay, that's if you write like that, press enter, that's done. So let's wait a little bit, and now you can see our project is there on GitHub server. Now if I go here, you can see that our project is deployed to the GitHub server. Now it will take some time to deploy. For that, you need to go to settings, go to pages, and now here in the branch you need to select for main. Click on the save button here, and after click on the save button, you can see that's done. Now next thing, go back to your project, and you know what, just wait a little bit. So yeah, I will be back after it's done. So now as you can see, our project is deployed to GitHub. So now the next thing we are going to do is we're going to go to the settings here, and now click on the page here. Okay, let's go to the pages here. So now you can see your site is live at this. So let's click here, open a link in new tab. Now you can see a security error is there, and why is that so, I will tell you. So let me just first go to my website here first. Now why is that error was why the error was coming? The reason is that uh, because we are having a login form. That's why there can be a case that there may be a data breach, that some hackers hack the data. Some hacker may hack your data and get your email as well as email password. So yeah, that's why the this danger tag was there. So now if I write like email at the rate gmail.com and give some random password. Okay, let me just give some random password here. Click on login. Now it reloads. Okay, as it is. So let's go here. Never. Okay. Now, what happens if you get this? If you want to resolve this error, means this deceptive site ahead, then for that you need to just go to Google Analytics, and then you need to message them that for your this URL you are getting an error, deceptive site ahead. And yeah, you need to write like, I have just resolved this error, and by using by using the following methods. And the where was the error, so you just write like the error was in this file, and I solved it by using this. And then you send like, kindly remove this dangerous tag and give a secure icon at this point for my website to be secure. So you need to do like that, and then after 2 to 3 days, or it may take 1 to 2 weeks, or yeah, it may be as per the people in Google Analytics. If they see that earlier, then it may be resolved earlier, and if not, then wait a while, means wait for some days, months, weeks, and after that it will be resolved, and they will remove this dangerous and give a secure icon. So for that you need to just message them on Google Analytics.com. I think if I'm not wrong. So if you go like Google Analytics, let's go here at this point. So here I think we may get an option to just do like that. Yeah, at the same point you can go here and you can just message to the Google team about this error that you're getting, and you will request them for removing this. Okay, that then what happened, they will remove this and your website will be working fine. Okay, now yeah, that's all for this video. We just deployed our Facebook clone to GitHub and with this URL. So meet you in the next video with some new built-in technology. So yeah, meet you in the next video. Till then, see you.